In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix error code drowned on Minecraft PS5. So let's get started. We're gonna look at various fixes so you can go ahead and try all of them out. The first one we have is check server status. Alright, so visit the official Minecraft status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If there are, you'll need to wait for them to be resolved because this error code drowned is usually related with sign-in issues. So if the servers are down, obviously you can't sign in. The next one is verify account linking. Verify account linking. Okay. So ensure your Minecraft account is linked to your Microsoft account correctly. This is often required for online multiplayer and other features. The next one is clear account sign-in data. Clear account sign-in data. Okay. So you can do this by launching Minecraft, go to settings, select your profile, choose clear account sign-in data. Then you have to confirm the action and then restart Minecraft and sign in again. The next one we have is update Minecraft and the PS5 system. Update Minecraft slash PS5 system. So make sure you're running the latest version of Minecraft on your PS5 software because updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Last option, which is the last result, is to delete and reinstall Minecraft. So if none of these solutions work, try deleting Minecraft from your PS5 and reinstalling it because this can sometimes resolve the underlying issue. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.